Lesson 5, Bonus Vocabulary. To this lesson, we're going to add some bonus vocabulary for you to practice and just expand a little bit on your vocabulary skills. So, Mpho is going to repeat the word in Setswana. I'm going to say it in English, and we're going to practice it together. The word for aunt.
Mangwane,
Mangwane. The word for uncle.
malume,
The word for grandfather.
re mogolo,
And grandmother.
mme mogolo,
Okay. The word for friend.
tsala,
Girlfriend.
lekgaribe,
Boyfriend.
lekau.